To set up bedtime mode on Oppo A6 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to find the digital well-being and parental controls. Then scroll down to the bedtime mode, and right here you'll be able to perform the setup. So first thing is to whether or not activate do not disturb mode for your bedtime mode. You can enable or disable it right here, and when you're ready with your decision, move to the next step. That way you'll be able to adjust the time where you go to sleep and where you should wake up, and you can adjust also which days it should work for, and then we can click on done. Next step is allow the access to your app usage and sensor data. You can enable or disable or customize those options below, and then allow it or don't. Then there's the bedtime mode. Silence your device, dim the wallpaper, and change the screen to black and white at bedtime. Only alarms and important calls can reach you. You can turn it on right now if you like, but it should also work on the schedule that we just set up. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.